Hi everyone. If you forgot your iPad passcode and your device is locked, don't worry. In this video I will show you how to reset an iPad without a password using a PC and iTunes. This method will perform a factory reset and allow you to set up the iPad again like a new device. For this method you will need a PC with iTunes installed and a USB cable. So let's get started. First turn off your iPad. Then connect it to the PC with a USB cable. Now press and hold the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. If this method does not work, you can also try the following steps. If your iPad has a home button, press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. If your iPad does not have a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Quick tip: if recovery mode does not appear the first time, try the steps again because the timing sometimes needs to be exact. Once your iPad is in recovery mode, open the iTunes app on your PC. A message will appear in iTunes saying that there is a problem with the iPad and it needs to be updated or restored. Here you will see two options: update or restore. Click Restore. A confirmation window will appear explaining that restoring the iPad will erase all data and install the latest version of the software. Click Restore and Update. Then click Next to continue and click Agree to accept the software terms. iTunes will now download the iPad software. Depending on the version, the file size can be different. In my case it is almost 9 GB and I need to wait about 30 minutes for the download to complete. The time may vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the software. Once the download is complete, another message may appear asking if you want to update or restore the iPad. Select Restore iPad again. Confirm by clicking Restore and Update. Now the process of resetting your iPad to factory settings will begin. You can see the progress in the iTunes window on your PC and also on your iPad screen. Important: do not disconnect the USB cable and do not turn off the computer during this process. It may take several minutes to complete. After the reset is finished, your iPad will restart and the setup screen will appear. Now you can start setting up your iPad again. This will be like setting it up for the first time. You will be asked to choose things like your language, region, and even options like icon size. You may also see an option to transfer data from another iPhone, iPad, or another device. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi network. After connecting to Wi-Fi, sometimes you may see a message saying iPad partially set up. This can happen if the setup process was started before but not fully completed. In this case, you will see two options. Erase and Start Over will erase the iPad again and restart the setup process from the beginning. Continue with Partial Setup will continue the setup from where it stopped and allow you to finish the remaining steps like signing in with your Apple ID and choosing your settings. In most cases, you can select Continue with Partial Setup because it simply completes the remaining steps. In this video, I selected Erase and Start Over to begin the setup completely fresh and remove any remaining setup data. After selecting it, the iPad will erase itself again and the setup will restart. This process usually takes only a few minutes, and you do not need to download the software again. After that, you can finish setting up your iPad like a new device. And that's it. That is how you can reset an iPad without a password using a PC. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel because I post simple and quick tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.